Hey guys, it's your boy Llama Connor here live once again. Welcome to another video of mine. Today is another keycap reveal. As I mentioned, we are running low on this endeavor of a little bit of a hobby of mine. The budget can't take it anymore. But I do like to reveal a new keycap. Again, this is going against the whole ordeal of like the spooky theme kind of. But this is more specifically from an anime or I guess a game. And here we are. I thought you could see that properly, but this is the pot of green monster. And if you guys don't know the lore, this creature is actually from a game called Yu-Gi-Oh! If you collect the cards, I will show a picture here somewhere. That's where the inspiration is from. Now, I wasn't really thinking about this guy. It just popped on my live feed here. There we go. The pot of green. And I really love the details around this. This is like exquisite, nearly. Like, look at that. It's very clean cut and everything. It is very light and plasticky, so it's very nimble, absolutely very nimble, and the detail and the painting is just exquisite. I do fear that the amount of tapping I do might, create some scratches or some moisture might take the paint off. I hope that doesn't happen, so I might have to keep this safe somewhere. But oops. Let me know what you guys think about this, and please leave a like and subscribe. The pot of green. I'm really hoping in the future I could probably, see if there's any more Yu-Gi-Oh! Inspired keycaps, or I could start creating my own. That would be pretty dope, honestly. But it's so cool and so nifty. It reminds me of my smile. And we're all greedy out here in this world. Until next time, guys. Peace.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?